Hey Paul, it's Isaac with yet another video. I'll keep it short. I'm sorry, but this helps me so much making these videos. You have no idea. It really crystallizes things for me when I make videos, and I like sharing them with you because you're my coach. So, I came back from work early to check out FOMC action. And, I wasn't too impressed with this action right here. I could see that it was trending up, but I couldn't really find a place where I wanted to get in. I just didn't see a good entry area. So I just kind of hung out and all of a sudden started selling down, selling down, selling down, selling down. And, my thing lately is when price really starts selling down, I'm looking at the 5 minute chart these days. I really have switched over to it. That's all based on this guy that I've been watching on YouTube called Doug, and he's with a channel called The Rumors, Rumers. He's amazing, and he really has showed me a lot about 5 minute charts and how to use them. Anyway, so what I decided was I want to see a full green candle on a 5 minute chart before I even think about getting in. But I'll think about getting in pretty quickly after I see one, if I do see one. So I waited for this one to form, and it bounced off to 77 almost. And I figured, okay, well, if I see something I like, I'll take it. So I went ahead and formed put my 50% levels here after this green candle formed, from the lows of it to the highs of it, basically, and then waited. Well, nothing really happened too much. I mean, we didn't never got quite down to here. I did see something I liked, and I did take it. What I liked was it wasn't quite coming down to the 26. I wanted to see. I was waiting for more of a curl on the 5 minute. I really wasn't getting it, but I figured the 26 was protecting the 50% level down here, which is this green line. Maybe the 26 was being resistant. So after it bounced off the 26 like 3 times, I'm like, that's probably going to hold. The MACD on the 5 second was definitely curling up. There was starting to be some divergence there. So I did grab it right here. And I took it for a nice little trade up here, and then I got stopped out right down here, kind of pulled back and stopped me out. Then the volume started coming in, and I'm like, okay, well, yeah, maybe something's going to happen here. And the volume started coming in heavy and hard. And when I saw this huge volume here and this big push down, and it bounced off the 38, which is one level down from the 50, but the candle bodies were pretty much maintaining the 50. So I'm like, this feels right. This was starting to curl a little bit also, and it just felt right to me. I was close enough to the zero line on the 5 second MACD. So I went ahead and grabbed it, and it just like ripped to the upside. And I was only doing 5 micros, 1 micro per account. I have 5 accounts because it was so fast. I'd give myself a 25-point stop with a $250 total loss if I was going to hit that 25-point stop. So it's 5 micros on one on each account, and it just ripped up, and it ripped up so quick that I'm like, I better protect this because it could rip down just as fast. And I came up, and it was above 77, and I kind of put my stop here at 77, and it's just kind of wicked me out right here, and then it went up to all the way up to VWAP from that point. So I probably put my stop too tight, but it was just moving so fast. I wanted to protect my wins and not have it spike right back down again. So that was my second trade. So I got 2 winners out of that bounce, and ended up getting in those accounts I got $177 each for the day on those accounts with the earlier morning trading and those 2 trades. So I just want to share the excitement with you. Let you know that the 5 minutes working for me. It's slowing me down. It's keeping me from getting in early, and that is the biggest problem that I've had over the years. I'm always too early, so it's really helping me slow it down. Wait for the trade to ripen, and for the MACDs to kind of curl up and be in the right place, and the oscillators to start oscillating up and showing me that the market wants to have some strength in it. Look for a little divergence, wait for those bounces off the levels, the key levels I'm looking for, and wait for the volume that I'm looking for. So all those things together help me get, I don't know, $750 today, something like that. I don't know what that was, 177 times 5, something like that. I'm not sure. I'll take it. Whatever it is, I'll take it. I guess it's about $875 or something like that. It's a good day in the accounts. Okay, that's it for now.